Video 697, we're going to edit HEXABAF. Let's get to it. So in the const macros by system within the HEXABAF constants, we have a new section called only 3 explosion types. We have this thing called FX4, which stands for special effect, of which there are 4. These are monkey wrench macros. This is the special effect for the void explosion, and these are the special effects for the spark pin, laser, and bomb. These are colors for the special effects. So you can see we have 4 total special effects, but only 3 of them really mean anything to us. The bomb body colors are going to be a little bit decoupled from the special effects, so we're going to use body color, jacks, and bomb, but the special effects color for both of these bomb types will be the same color. Let's scroll down here. Just a little assert to appease my organizational senses. We have added a second label to this old section here called New Damage Color Scheme. And if we go down here, this section of constants is now only going to be used for the bomb body colors. It is no longer going to be used for the FATA values. So these values here now are only the bomb enumerations. They are not the FATA enumerations. They're just the bomb enumerations now. So right here we have the first 3 values are spark pins, so we're using the spark pin color. These 4 values are the laser box tile values, so we're using the laser color. These 4 values are the jacks bombs, so we're using the jacks bomb body color here. And these 4 values are the box bomb color, so using the body color for the box bombs. So notice that there's a tight coupling here between the tile value and the special effect, and there's a little bit of a looser coupling here, and that's because we can only use 1 explosion color for both of these bomb categories here. Okay, let's go down here. We made a mistake here. This was way too fucking granular inside of rule geometry. You can look at this footnote, but we don't have time in the code review. In the HEXABAF top-level data section, FX4, but 1 is void. So this is a lookup table. It takes FX4 and converts it to a hex color. We have a little footnote here. You can pause to read that. And here we are taking the FX colors for void, spark pin, laser, and bomb and shoving them into a lookup table. Make sure that it has exactly 4 entries. And we are the fuck out of here. So like and subscribe. Send money in the mail.